You've got a new car? Congratulations! In this video I'm going to explain to you how to wash and maintain it properly. Watch video to the end to learn simple principles to keep your car shining longer. If you will be washing at home, then watch this video to the end to learn all the basic principles you can undertake to make your car clean and shiny in your driveway. So here we see Max's new Suzuki Kizashi. I know that's a name, I'm not sneezing. First of all, what we wanted to determine is how dirty the car actually is. In this case, we see a lot of dried sand. Also on the lower parts of the car. Go through the wheel arches. Look at all the sand particles that fall down. But we first want to know how much dirt and oxidation is there on the car. Is it light, just some particles, some sand and some dust? Or in this case, is there a little bit more than that on the car? So we need to know what kind of products we're going to select to pre-clean the car and then make the washing process easier and also better. Since there's more than average dirt on the car, certainly on the wheel arches and the lower parts of the car, I'm going to use Decon, Orange Degreaser and Cleaner Concentrate and a dilution bottle for pre-cleaning. As the name says, it's a concentrate and you need to dilute it in a separate bottle with water. For this purpose, we're going to dilute it 1 to 10 and then add 900 ml of water. Let the water run slowly because otherwise the foam is coming out of the top of the bottle. So that's 1 liter of cleaning solution I'm going to use to pre-clean all the harsh grime and road grime and oxidation that is clinging to the car's surfaces. I'm going to spray it on a dry surface, so I'm not going to pre-rinse it, and let this cleaner emulsify underlying dirt, sand, particles and oxidation. Since Decon, Orange Degreaser and Cleaner Concentrate is curing now on the car and loosening dirt, we're going to fill up our foam lens. We're going to use our mint shampoo, also 1 to 10 diluted. So we just filled it up with 100 ml of mint shampoo. Also this one we're going to fill with slowly running tap water. In 3-4 minutes that the snow foam is dripping towards the ground, I'm going to focus to do the wheels with the Decon V4 wheel cleaner. So I'm going to use a wheel brush for the front end of the wheel to clean all spokes. Again, Orange Degreaser is your helper to also clean those tire walls, and with that make sure that the brown debris also coming from brake dust will be gone from the surface, and with that case also the next step, which is the rinsing and afterwards the dressing, will be much nicer and also stay on much longer. Next step, washing. 1 bucket only with water, which is my rinsing bucket. The other bucket with shampoo emulsion, which is my washing bucket. Here we go. 4 capfuls of mint splash and wash shampoo. So I'm going to use the mesh side of the wheel wedge for the lower parts of the car that need some more scrubbing. And I'm going to use my 5-finger wash mitt for the regular washing process. So these finger wash mitts are ideal to get into all the hard to reach areas. Rinse often, scrub it over the mid slide in your rinsing bucket and get some new suds out of your washing bucket. A bit of Orange Degreaser diluted, spread it out and make sure to clean these parts as well. For this I chose our thickest Thunder Grizzly towel, which is 1800 GSM. I'm going to fold it 2 times, so I have 8 sides on my towel. And I'm going to first start drying with the vertical parts. Rest water film from the bonnet and the windshield and the roof. Only 1/8 of my towel is wet. Same procedure on the left side. Washing process is done. Let's focus on some glass cleaning. I could easily spray this all over the car, but then I would have overspray of this light cleaner also on painted parts. So I always choose to spray it on my towel, and it will be inside and outside, wiping in one direction for streak-free results. Spray my cleaner on my waffle towel, divide it, and wipe in one direction. And then re-wipe with a dry side of your towel. And for some shine and slickness, we're going to use the Mango Yellow Quick Detailer. Mango Yellow Quick Detailer is a polymer-based quick detail spray, let's say light spray sealant, which creates a lot of shine and especially slickness. Spray on the surface, then you work as an S pattern towards yourself, then you let it haze for a couple of seconds. It will take away fingerprints, dust, light oxidation. But we already washed it, maybe some water spots that we forgot with drying. And we switch to a dry side of a towel and we just buff it to a high shine. Voila! Sometimes a picture, or in this case a video, says more than 1,000 words. And yeah, we get many requests from all of you. I got a new car. How can I maintain it to the best? I don't want to go to the in-bay car wash anymore. I want to do it by hand. What products should I purchase? What shall I use? In what order? So I hope this simple video really helps you to understand what products do what purpose. And with that, you get a squeaky clean result. Hope you like this video. If you'd like to know more about car washing, but then in the coin car wash, then click on the pop-up banner and check out that video. Bye bye.